Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the one of the special unboxing video regarding one gadget. Let's know we are going to unbox brand new smartwatch Firebolt Dazzle Plus watch. You can see I have just purchased in Amazon at the cost of 1599 rupees in INR. I'm telling. Okay, it's now time to unbox it. And sorry for bad voice because I was affected with cold. Okay, let's remove this box. You can see this is the Firebolt smartwatch. The model is Dazzle Plus. Okay, it's time to unbox it. It's very cheapest watch, guys. I just bought this watch at 1599 rupees only. It's very cheap only. I can see they have given manufacturers details and its specifications and what they have given backside. Okay, main features they have given. And other than that, that's all. Okay, we can now open this box. I need to tear it up. The stickers. Oops, it's very hard, guys. Okay, let's open it up. Where is the okay here? Mm, okay, it's coming. Yeah, here you can see. After opening, they have given you okay. It is a user manual guide. Yeah, wow. Here's the user manual guide, guys. The instruction is very clear. It's nice. If you read this means just pass this video and you can read it up, guys. Okay, let's keep it aside. And now it's time to take the smartwatch. Okay, before taking smartwatch, let's see what they have given inside. Other than this, let's open this box. Okay, they have given. Whoa, what is this? You can see they have given some rewards, guys, for buying the smartwatch. Oh, congratulations! You won the exclusive Boltt Play app membership. Okay, let's try it up. I don't know what is it. And another thing is okay, we need to register warranty by visiting Firebolt website. Oh, oh, super! They have given a free Book My Show voucher, movie ticket voucher. Okay, I need to climb it up. After redemption, just I will upload another video regarding this rewards. Okay, it's time to take a smartwatch. Let's take it up. It looks very pretty cool, guys. I really just loved it. Okay, next we can remove this sticker. Wow, here you can see how is it, guys. I think it's a very cheap smartwatch. Regarding the price, because it's very cheap, 1599 rupees only in INR Indian rupee. And another thing, they have given the charger. It's a magnetic type. can see. Oh, we need to place it in backside. Okay, let's keep this aside. Okay, we can switch it on. Smartwatch. Oops, I think it's time to put in charge because the battery is too low, I think so. We need to charge the smartwatch. Okay. Okay guys, I need to in charge. I think so. Okay. Okay guys, first let's see the features regarding the smartwatch. Here you can see the smartwatch has a 1.81-inch HD display. It's not AMOLED, it's normal HD display only. And another thing, it has IP68 water resistance. And the thing, there is a 60 plus modes, sport modes is there in the smartwatch. Like it will track your footsteps and heartbeat count, likewise. And there is a smart notification feature is also there in the smartwatch. Like WhatsApp and Instagram notifications, it will display in your smartwatch itself. And fourth thing is regarding the battery, 5 to 8 days for normal use, it will withstand, and 30 days standby time. If you are not using the smartwatch, means it will long last till 30 days. Okay, that's all regarding the smartwatch features. And if you're having any doubts or queries, just ask in the comment section. Definitely, I will reply regarding the smartwatch. And I will upload another video also. Wow, Virat Kohli, a great sports player. Here you can see it looks similar to iWatch, but it costs this 5-volt watch is very cheap, guys. Here you can see this is the another UI, guys, like which it is in iWatch. And that's all, guys, regarding this video. And I will upload another video regarding these features and how to use the smartwatch. Okay, if you're having any questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely will reply. And just do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's see you in another video, guys. Bye.